Okay, so we're back now with the new Garmin Dashcam that we have. So what we're going to do first of all is put in our SD card. This is the 522GW, just to remind you. And we're going to pop in our SD card, like so. Peel off the top. And let it power up. So I have it connected to the PC there as you can hear, so we can get the firmware upgrade, power on and access files. So as you need, you can go on. So we're going to power it on first and go to English UK, first time installation, and you can do all this here. These settings will be established in time zone, daylight saving time as required. So we are in the Euro, UK and Ireland, and we are kilometers per hour. So this is a nice touchscreen UI so far. When the satellite signal is received, you get date and time, and after you just enable Alexa and so on, you'll have to have it linked to your phone. So we'll skip that for now and we'll look at that later on. So that's the Dashcam set up. So straight away there we can see we have a live feed. So if we go into the settings, we'll have a look. So the video settings, you have a resolution of 1080p, 1440p, and 1360 frames per second on 1080p. So we'll leave it on 1440. And exposure again is 0, so we'll leave it at that, but you can change the +1 or -5, 6, 7. So if plus it's 5 or 6 or 7 there. So we'll leave it at that. Video length 3 minutes. I normally leave mine at, so that's perfect. And audio on or off, so we leave it on. So then we scroll across, you've got a timestamp, so we'll leave that on. Speed stamp, we'll leave that on. GPS stamp, we'll leave it on. And your model stamp, so we'll leave that on as well. And across, again, we have dual files, you have time lapse, your G sensor and number plate. So that's pretty much it. So just want to test something else while we have it there, and I'm going to plug in the rear camera. So the rear camera is plugged in now. And I got off, so let's power it back on. Okay, so there we have, now you can see the rear camera in the smaller screen there. So we know that works fine, which is excellent. So straight away there you have the SD card, which needs to be placed, so we're going to have to change that and we'll get a different one. And we'll just go back out of that there, and the same thing again. Quality branded unit, but that's a Trans Zen card, which is the card I've been using for a long time. But that's basically the menu there. It's actually shrunk down compared to quite a lot of the previous ones. So you've got your reversing camera, your emergency SOS, so that will be your reversing camera, which will come up on the screen, and your connected apps, you have My Nextbase and Alexa. So you'll then connect up these two, so you download the app onto your phone and Alexa then, and so on. So it's a pretty much shrunken menu compared to older models, which is good and easy to use, and it's all touch interface, which is excellent. You don't have a lot of buttons to be messing around with, so quite nice. And that's pretty much what the UI looks like and setup of the 522GW. And what else have we got? We've some more here. So you've got a screensaver on or off. We'll leave it on. Recording history. So you will have your recording history in here. Parking mode on or off, so we'll put that on. And then we have got alerts, leave them on. So you have your language, your time. So we are GMT. Leave it at that. Country. Just see what the other option brings you up here. That's it. We'll leave it on euros. Time and date 20, which is correct. And we put in the date. That's fine. 16th of the 8th, 2019. That's fine. And what else do we have? Screen dimming, which is on. Speed units, we did this already. The voice sounds we have on, and auto power off, which will do itself. And you have keep user settings, format SD cards. I'm going to format that card anyway. And default settings, so that'll just return the whole system to default. So that's basically it on the setup. Pretty simple, as you can see, and all touchscreen, which is excellent. So that's it for now on the UI. So we'll come back later on with a review of the camera front and back and so on, and we'll talk to you then in the next one. Thanks for watching.